8.
What?
5 na ang time up.
What?
No, hindi na ko. Si panic ko.
Favorite color?
Our favorite.
So, our favorite... What is our favorite
Color.
food? Hello guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Rhea, your Camorena,
I'm Nica, your kamistisa.
and we are the Gantalao Sisters! So for today's video guys, as you noticed, this is our first vlog.
So, the title of our vlog is
The facts about us. So we both have 10 facts about ourselves. So the first facts is,
what is our full name?
so my full name is, I'm Rhea Ricablanca Gantalao.
And my full name is Nica Recablancagantalao.
Second, our age. I'm 19 years old of age.
I'm 21 years old. Number 3, our birthday.
I was born on June 9, 2001.
I was born on November 2, 1999.
4, birthplace. I was born in Sinobong, Baruela, Agusan del Sur.
And I was born in Quimamon, Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. 5th, our address.
So, our both address is, we're here in Davao
Davao
City.
City.
But our hometown
Hometown.
is in
Agusan del Sur. Hi!
Hay sa mga taga Agusan.
Agusanon. Sige, go. Number 6.
Our height and weight. So, my height is 5'3" and my weight is 45.
And for me is, my height is 5'2" and my weight is 38 or 37.
Next,
Number 7.
7 is,
Grade.
so, I'm grade 12 student and I'm graduating this year. Baka naman, ma'am, makagraduate.
Bakit naman hindi? So, I'm second year college, turning third year on upcoming opening of classes. And number 8 is favorite color.
Favorite.
So, our favorite... So, number 8, 5 na ang time up.
What?
No, hindi na ko. Si Pan. So, number 8 is, what is our favorite
Color.
food? What is our favorite
Color.
foods? Favorite
Color.
foods. So, number 8 is, what is our favorite
Color.
colors? So, my favorite colors is black and yellow.
And for me is red and black. Black.
Number 9.
Favorite food.
So, my favorite food is fried chicken.
And for me is the lumpia Shanghai.
Wow. So, the last but not the least is
our
our
hobbies.
hobbies. So, my hobbies in life is, I love to draw, to dance, to sing, and also I love listening to love song music and watching some videos on YouTube.
And for me is listen the music like the love songs, ganyan yung mga type ko, and watching the any movies or videos, ganyan.
So guys, that's all for today's vlog. Don't forget to
Like,
comment,
share,
and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click the
notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod naming mga videos.
Again, I'm Rhea, your Camorena,
I'm Nica, your ka-mistisa.
and we are the
Gantalao Sisters.
Bye!
Pretty's on the inside.